Forward button. Just got an email. Let's see what that is. All right. To get into this trade breakdown, we're about to get on USDJPY. We will make this a YouTube short, TikTok short. So looking at USDJPY, we're overall bullish. We're overall bullish on UJ. As you can see, we're making clear higher highs and higher lows. Right, buyers are definitely in control. But on the 4-hour time frame, buyers are in control as well. We're making lower lows and lower highs here. Price equal lows, price broke above these highs, and we have a higher high, higher low, and then do higher high on the 4-hour time frame. So we're bullish on that time frame as well. Into the 1-hour time frame, we're bullish here as well. Price took this low, made a new low. This is the highest point price was before taking that low. We eventually came up to take this high, confirming that we are in bullish momentum. So daily 4-hour and 1-hour are all bullish at the exact same time. Then let's get into this break and retest. So we got a break with a 1-hour closure above with this 1-hour candle right over here. This 1-hour candle right here closed above this overall previous high to the left hand side. At a pullback retest that gives us a wick rejection. Wick rejection this previous high to the left hand side. It's confirming that buyers may be stepping back in control. Then we go to the 5-minute chart to see the structure on this retest. On the 5-minute chart, we have price create some relatively equal highs right over here. Price made a new low as we take this low to the left hand side, creating lower low, lower high, lower low. So now I'm looking at a buy stop at the break of this high, potentially. Or if price could come down to take this low, I'll use buy stop at the break of this high. So that's the trade idea. Then we can look on the 1-hour time for targets. Looking at our targets to the left hand side. Okay, do we not have any targets up here? Okay. Oh, excuse me. There we go. It's a little bit far away, but we look at this high right up here. Where a target this level. What I don't like about this current hourly candle, never mind. I feel like it. I lied. I don't like about it. I'm looking thinking about getting in now though. To be honest, if I get in a little bit prematurely, I will be getting in as price is great. Create a doji with a rate projection and respect the previous candlestick lows, broke previous candlestick highs. It has entry stop loss below its lows. Let's do 25 pips. Something like this. We could target these highs all the way up here. Think about taking this. Is this worth this little bit of pip difference? Worth waiting for this confirmation instead? It's not. It's looking not worth it. Or I can use this one and be a little bit more conservative. And stop loss below is low instead. 38, let's run it to 40. Maybe we could do that. On this 40. This is a steep retracement, so yeah, we're gonna take this. Let's march execute this sell. Let me pull my broker up on monitor real quick. My camera crooked, bro. Really gonna tell my camera was crooked. Here's this. Just the tip one. DJ. Wow. Start this to 40. Copy this. Stop loss. So we have some UJ buys. Entry was I was filled at 154.700. That's a good entry. I feel 700 flat. I'll take it. Just a trade. Just got filled right over here. Let's find our TP1 though. 40 pips in the TP1. Let's redo their breakdown. Let's make it a little bit shorter. Alright, as you can see, I just got executed in. Let me start over. As you see, I just got executed in on this USD JPY boss. Let's do a quick little recap. Looking on the day time frame with overall bullish making new highs, clear as day. Looking on the 4 hour time frame, overall bullish breaking outside of this whole entire range, making new highs. 4 hours bullish as well. 1 hour time frame bullish, making a new highs. So it makes more sense to buy as opposed to look at the take sales. Have a break and a retest of previous higher high structures to the left hand side. Have a doji wick rejection off of the previous highs to the left hand side, and then a bullish engulfing candle follow up right over here. Looking on the 5 minute time frame, price credit is equal highs, took this low. Now we have a retracement. I'm anticipating that this retracement could take this lower high right over here to shift into bullish structure. So my entry is looking premature, a little aggressive, but I like the probability on this setup. Let's see how it plays out.
Somebody on Call of Duty that was so.
GBP cooking right now, 2K in profit, nice. Let's look at GJ. I think GJ bullish as well. Look there on my phone because I don't really want to change screens, to be honest. Yeah, GJ is nice. Hello bullish, yeah. I was looking at GJ buys as well. Oh, where was it? I was looking at GJ buys at this breakout right over here. I seen it down here, but I just didn't want to buy this low when I price the credits high first. I was on the charts around like 12 something, so I was on the charts back here. I brought that low. Yeah, you're a fucking sniper. That's when I was looking at it. Thanks for the follow, Chris. Welcome to the stream, bro. So much sell side manipulation is crazy. I don't pay attention to that kind of stuff, to be honest. But if you see it and it's hidden for you, bro, good shit. My phone for that died, bro. Thank you for what? Thank you for talking about the stream, bro. Go. Can I like my own stream, bro? Can I do that? Can I double tap my own shit so I can get like a lot of likes? Buy a little old head method for working with me. Oh, no problem, bro. How long you been trading? Anybody in the chat can answer. How long you been trading, bro? And what stage do you think you're at in your trading journey? Are you already profitable? Are you break even right now? About 6 years? Nice. You got more experience than me. I'm my 5th year. Actively 1 year. Nice. What strategies do y'all trade? Do y'all trade like ICT? Curious. I've been seeing a lot of ICT traders on TikTok, to be honest. I think that's like the most known strategy on TikTok is ICT. ICT plus ICC. Okay, got it. ICC is what you call them calls it, right? Trade by side. All right, going back to the 5-minute chart. Looking at the 5-minute charts. As you can see, price is now approaching its previous lower high structure. So I need price to break this previous lower high structure to confirm that we're now bullish on the 5-minute chart to continue this overall 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily bullish momentum. Market structure. Oh yeah. Where would you say you at in your trading journey? Like, are you at the break-even stage? Are you profitable? Are you unprofitable? And if you're unprofitable, be honest with yourself. And what do you think is holding you back? Profitable price break-even. So you in between the profitability and the break-even stage. That's very common. I caught a nasty sell yesterday on GBPCHF. The sell is crazy. I think it's been a minute, bro. How have you been? I've been doing good, bro. How have you been? I have no idea who that is, by the way. I'm just gonna act like we knew each other. And they gotta make big plays heavy, and some trades just hit break even. Yeah, I got you. You're not wrong with that, bro. I rather break even is better than losing trade. I'd rather break even than lose any day. I low key wanted to put my stop loss below this low a little bit more tighter, but I didn't want to be too aggressive, so I decided to put it below this 1 hour low right over here, which is the confirmation of this bullish close that goes above this previous high to the left hand side. I low key wanted to put it right here. Social media really what was holding me back. I had to get away and focus strictly on charts. Yeah, it's a lot of false information out there, bro. Social media gotta be careful. That's why I like to tell people, watch people that live trade like myself or anybody else you come across that actually does it live. Because social media, bro, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, that's just highlight tapes of people's best trades, bro. Everybody gonna look like their best trader when they post and they win a trade, right? They don't show you how many losses they take in between those wins. So they just YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, that's really just a highlight tape for everybody's best moments in trading. But people could post their best moments and still be unprofitable, and everybody think they're profitable because they post their best moments. Really. And also, for the people that are posting their best moments or they're winning trades and they are actually profitable, again, comparison is a thief of joy, right? So seeing other people make thousands or hundreds of dollars on 1 or 2 trades or whatever, and you make $50 on a trade or $10 on a trade, right? You're gonna look at yourself like, damn, I ain't shit. He made 1,000, he made 100, and now I only made 50. I'm ass. That right? That'll really hurt your trading journey, to be honest. So I don't really pay attention to social media. I used to, but not in the past couple of years. I watch stuff for entertainment purposes, but not necessarily to actually watch. Why are you trading USD JPY off session? This is session. London session. Your day moves good during London. So I trade all these pairs to the watch list you see here. I trade during London session. I'll rank all these pairs from my highest quality pairs to my lowest quality. Now I'm bookmark my top 3 pairs for that session. That's what I'll focus on for the session. So I do trade gold, I do trade NAS 100, I do trade US 30, then I trade regular Forex pairs like UJ, EU, GJ, EJ, stuff like that. But I rank all of them from the highest quality trades to the lowest quality trades, and I only take the higher probability trades. The reason why I do that is because being a seasoned trader like myself, you understand that the market is algorithm, and it moves in price cycles. ICT traders call it manipulation, distribution, whatever, all of that other fancy words and shit. Accumulation, distribution, manipulation, whatever, so on and so forth, right? But I don't call it that. Same concept, but I just call it different names. I call it consolidation, expansion, retracement, reversal. Put it in perspective. Market likes to. Market likes to consolidate, expand, retrace, then give you approach and reversal. Or like down here, consolidate, expand, retracement, reversal, so on and so forth, right? So understanding that the market moves in price cycles, I only take pro trend trades. So other pairs can be in a different cycle. Like gold can be, or NAS 100 could be in a consolidation phase during the London session. So instead of trying to force a trade inside a consolidation phase in that price cycle, I just trade something that's more high probability, it's more pro trend without having to guess. Or if something is retracement phase, I don't trade retracements. I trade pro trend setups. So if it's retracing in my session, I simply just won't trade it. I'll put it to the bottom of my watch list. I'll put something else that's closer or more higher probability. That's more like a better high quality trade. But so for today, my top three was AU, buys above here, so if you go here. EJ, buys above here with a break and retest. We got the break, just didn't get a retest. And I had EJ and I had EU. Actually, I had EU retest this area, but retest low key failed, but it's coming back up. And I had EGJ. I actually had 5 pairs today, but I ended up taking EJ. Probably definitely don't remember, but that 116-year-old, that guy friend that made 37K in 7, I have no idea who that is, but what's up, bro? The trade I called yesterday was some straight gas. I'm on the 3rd trade win streak this week so far. Hopefully we can keep this, make this a 4 streak. I'm gonna pull a YouTube chat up. I'll look at the YouTube chat. It was good, Chris. Good morning, bro. Damn, Chris really an OG. He been watching me for a while. And even when I don't go live for a long time, that boy still pop in the chat. Girl, who is that? Why when I see that name, that's how I read it, bro. Girl, who is that? Hey, this nigga funny. I guarantee you, bro, as soon as I start playing chess, people gonna start talking in the chat. I'm tired of wearing my fucking headset, bro. I like to actually time to take my feet up, sit back, relax, and enjoy the trade. Thoughts on the NVIDIA? let's see, since this shit not doing nothing, we can look at some other stuff. I got some other stuff y'all want me to go over in the comments. Let me move up. In video. Going on a daily time frame on in video. The overall bullish. Price made a new high above this previous high to the left hand side, making a new high all the way up here. Now we just have a retracement. Right, so overall bullish on a daily. We're bullish on a 4 hour as well. Price made a new high above this high right over here, making these highs up here. Price never took this low, so technically we're still bullish. If you're looking at it, you can also see price took this low after making this new high. We went bearish, price created equal lows, and we took this high right over here, going bullish. Which is a retracement phase of overall potentially bullish market. So daily is bullish, 4 hours bullish as well. Okay, to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame is bearish though. 1 hour time frame creates equal highs. This was the lowest point price was before making these highs up here. Price eventually came down to take this low, and then a lower low, lower high, lower low, and a lower high. You can see some buys if 1 hour shifts bullish alongside 4 hour daily already being bullish at this 204 area for this break and retest for potential trend continuation. They want to take counter trend sales. They want to take counter trend sales. And look at this is your current low. This is your previous low right over here. This is your current lower high. Price already gave you a break and retest at this previous market structure shift right over here. So this is now invalid. Price gave you a break and retest of this area here as well. Price gave you a push up, a break, a retest. This retest ended up holding, and you see a price fail to break above the range and hold, and then start to come back down. You can take sales off this level here, and stop loss above these highs, look to target these lows down here. But that is counter trend trade. Makes more sense to take a pro trend trade because the 4 hour and the daily are both overall in bullish market structure. So it makes more sense to take buys. I would rather take these buys up here instead. Be a little bit more patient and wait for these. I really want to take sell into the 4 hour shift bearish. So I really wouldn't be looking to sell opportunities until price come down to take these equal lows. Then we can look to trade to the bottom of this range right over here. That's what I think about in video. Hopefully that made sense. I didn't go too fast. If you got any other pairs I want me to go over in the chat, let me know. And go over any pairs, or it could be crypto, stock, any method, really matters to me. Just tell me what to type in up here, and I'll give you a breakdown. Here I caught yesterday was gas. I caught these sales on GPC chat. Whoa, I'm missing the position. Oh fuck, I deleted one. I had 2 shells here. Something like this. So I had. But I caught these shells yesterday. These shells were great. I was supposed to make that GBPCHF sell until a TikTok short video, but I fucked up recording that shit, bro. I'm about to show y'all right now.